All right, let's talk about inventory tracking. Let's say you have a shop, supermarket, or you have an item you're tracking, and you want to know which one is available and which one is remaining. Like you have all of them. Like you have pen, we have file, folder, gum, calculator, apple. You can add other things like, let's say, bottle, let's say chair, whatever you want to track. Let's talk about table. Let's talk about the different things you can mention. We can also talk about bag. We can talk about shoe. You can talk about let's add laptop. Let's talk add phone. Let's talk broom. Let's also add another thing like let's add shovel. So whatever you want to track, as many as it is, to depending on what the environment you find yourself. So you can track things like this, up like this. And then in pen you have 50 pen. In file you have 80. Then here folder 1, just add a random number to it like what you have. So in this case I'm just going to put up a random number here, like whatever that is in stock and plus whatever that is in there and what that is not there. So I'm just putting a random number down there to here. Now once this is done, it means that this is what a number that is remaining. So if you finish for today and you find out that the file, they buy all the file, you can come here and put 0, and then you remember they buy 35 but today and it is remaining 5. That means you come here and update this in 5. Now how do you track which one is available and not available? So what you're supposed to do is, what is in stock, pen is still remaining, then you come and write it like this. File is still remaining, write file. Then you come here, folder is not remaining, you go here and write, go to under this out of stock and write folder. Now you go to gum, is still remaining, you do the same thing, type gum here. Then now calculator, you do the same thing. So this is going to take you forever. So to get this done, what you're going to do is, I'm going to press Ctrl Z to return back to normal. So this is what it is. So what you're going to do, you come to this at equal to, then you filter it. You filter this. What are you filtering? Filter this array, the product to the end, and you make comma. You filter the stock, which is the number like this, to the end. You get it so that is greater than 0. Then you close the bracket and you press enter. Now you see automatically everything that is greater than 0 appear here. Now you do the same thing to this. See what the same thing I do? I just want to copy it up here and copy and go to the out of stock here and press escape, go to the out of stock here and paste it, Ctrl V. Now I will go to the formula here and then change this thing to less than equal to 0. Now press enter. Now that's automatically put to this. Now if you look at this table left here, you see that tape here is a 0. If you also look at folder, you see 0. Now you see here, the reason why I created the equivalent table the same size is, what if all of them stocks are here? So let's put 1 here, and then let's put, you see it's updating the tape, let's put 1 also here, so that it will be equivalent to the length of the table. Now here there is nothing here, so it is telling you tag because there is nothing here that will respond to this. So what we need to do is the same thing. So what am I saying? You see here, the whole this thing is done up here. So what happened if I put up here 0, it updates calculator, and I change the other one, put 0, it bring in ball, put 0, it bring in shovel, put 0, it bring in broom, put 0, it brings that in, and this pen, put 0, and it brings it up here. Also here print 0, it does the same thing. 50 back, put 0, you keep on bringing it this way. So this is a way you can track event print. So anytime you come here, just look, oh, pens, calculator, tapes is out of stock while we still have 5. So by the end of the day, you come and put 0 file have to go this other way. So this is the way it is done, and the best aspect of it is that see the way it's arranging it in alphabetical order. So if like the way as it appear here, you see here that I have back, it comes here. Now what if you see here, just get what I'm trying to say here, that gum is here. Now when gum turned to 0, what happened? It's inside it where it's supposed to be. I didn't go back to put it, but it also arranged it in alphabetical order. So this is a way you can check event trace. You check one is available and one that is not available. So this is the best way to get it done. Instead of you copying here, this table will be updated automatically. So you can make this table and split it, what you are seeing and what other people are not seeing. Like this is what people are seeing, this is what you are seeing. So you get it done this way, and people will be saying, oh, pen is out of stock, then why this is in stock. So they know that, oh, for them to come up here they have phone, and then by the time this person come back, oh, there is no phone is out of stock. So this is a way to get this done. And I'm stopping here, so you can ask me your question. Yeah, go ahead.